You know that sleepy feeling you get after eating a really big meal? Does it sound familiar? All of us have been through this before. If you feel sleepy after you eat, it's really normal. After we eat, our body starts the digestion process and begins to absorb the food, using all of its energy for this and directing the blood flow to digestion. In today's video, we're going to explain to you why you shouldn't go to bed right after eating. Acid reflux. People who suffer from acid reflux normally feel discomfort and burning in their stomach, esophagus, and throat after meals. This is due to the amount of stomach acid produced during the digestive process. If you suffer from acid reflux and decide to go to bed after a meal, it may make the situation worse because the valve from the stomach to the esophagus may stay open, causing the acid to travel up your throat, initiating a burning feeling and burps. Sleep quality. After a meal, our body goes through a series of steps to digest the food, using up a good part of our energy. If you go to sleep during this process, it will directly affect your sleep quality. It may take a while to get to sleep. You may wake up several times throughout the night, or even have nightmares. But one thing is for certain, your sleep will not be restful. In other words, this habit will cause you not to be productive on the next day. You'll be tired and sleepy. If this repeats itself, the lack of quality sleep could have serious consequences for your physical and mental health. Now, to keep this from happening, here are a few important tips. Try to keep your main meals in the first half of your day and have a smaller meal at night. Avoid foods with salt, condiments, and fat since they cause your body to bloat, make you thirsty, and keep you up at night needing to pee. Eat your last meal at least 3 hours before going to bed. If you are very hungry before going to sleep, choose a food that can be digested quickly, such as fruit. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.